Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Tuesday, August 19, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Man, it has been awesome this last week of how the market has moved. I didn't get to trade any of it since I was away on vacation, but we had all-time highs and things are rocking and rolling. So as we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so let's start with the S&P 500. Get rid of that orange bar. We don't need that for here. So you can see we ran up on Friday to an all-time high. Great move. We're sitting in a bullish bias with a rank of 3 right now. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I'm not ready to take any trades yet. We are bullish. Come back to the fib line or the 8 moving average and bounce. Get above the all-time high and some of these other resistance levels in there, and life will be looking fantastic from there. So we got 3 candidates for today. If you want to have more, overall today we've got 16 candidates. If you'd like to get access to those in the future, for all of the candidates instead of just the 3 that I'm giving away to you guys here today, go ahead over to tradinglikeaboss.com, or you can go to tradewithrob.com and you can register for Trade with Rob. It is free, and when you do, you'll get an email that says, hey, the video is out and here are all the candidates with the charts and Rob's fibs of what he was looking at. All right, so we're looking right now at AMGN. They closed very nicely right at a rank of 1, bullish neutral bias right now. I love where it's sitting. I like the upside better on this one right now. So what I'm looking at here is this. Give me a small move up, retest at 293.56 and bounce. We got 301.64 is our resistance. My target's going to be right about 300 as a target level. For the downside, by the way, we would take the trade on the bounce and the stop will be just below support. For the downside, if it moved down, that's what makes it a switchback trade. Small move down, retest, and fail off that 293.56. We'll take the trade on the fail, stop on the other side of 293.56. If support is at 283.5, we're probably looking at about 285 is going to be our target on this one. So I like this one a lot. It's a good setup. Then we have LNG. Downside is definitely my preference on this one. We're more of a bearish bias. We've made it down to that 222.91 before. So small move up, retest the 231 level, fail off of that, take the trade off of the fail, stop on the other side of resistance, which is that 231 level. If support's at 223, my target's going to be right around 224. 224.5, somewhere around there. You're going to pick what best suits your risk profile. For the upside, small move up, retest, bounce. We got a little bit of obstacle course in the middle there with the 21 and the 55, but we're going to take the trade off of that 231 level. Stop's going to be somewhere down below support. If resistance is at 237.5, my target's going to probably be around 236. 236.5, somewhere in that area for them. Right? And then last, but certainly not least, Oracle. A brand new addition to our power option plays. You can see, this was July 9th, I think, that we added this to our list. We had one trade for $3,900. That was 10 contracts in one day. That was a day trade. And then 4 contracts, which took about a week or so. You can see where the entry, a little more, almost 2 weeks. You can see where the first entry was. 1, 2, 3, 4 exits on there. Life was good. Life was really good on that setup, okay? So actually 3 exits. This was the first one down here. So as we look at this, let's zoom in on it just a little bit more. We don't need it that stretched out. I'm looking at the bullish side first, so we're going to grab our blue pen. Let's try this again. Get rid of that crosshair. Kind of in my way. So give me a retest of the 247.77 and a bounce. I'm going to take the trade off of there with the stop just below. If resistance is at 255.13, my target's going to be at 254. Right? And for my downside target, fairly simple setup. Break, retest, fail. Take the trade off of the 247.77. On the downside, put a stop just above resistance. If support's at 240, my target's going to be at 242. 241.5, somewhere in that range is where we're going to wind up. All right? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. I'll see you all at our next update. Bye for now.